Jam, ba't hindi ka na nag-upload? Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Magsa-stop ka na ba mag-food vlogs? Are you still pushing through with your YouTube channel? Are you deleting this account? Ano bang update mo sa buhay ngayon? Kamusta birthday mo? What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jam. I do food and travel vlogs. And of course, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell para updated ka sa about videos na i-upload ko in the future. And I know, alam ko na anong sasabihin nyo guys. Alam ko na. Yes, it's been 2 weeks without me uploading any video and I apologize for that. It's just that this lockdown has been, you know, not helping me keep insane. I mean, I'm trying to do things that will keep me sane pala. That's what I mean. Medyo nagkaroon ako ng konting anxiety attack dahil hello, extend. I feel like I have to do a lot of things in Manila. If you guys don't know, I'm somewhere in Batangas right now. And yeah, so that's the reason why I decided to make an update vlog. So let's get into this. Let's start. Ano ba nangyayari sa buhay ko now? Well, it's been more than 2 months of lockdown. Pretty much, ang dami nangyari. Alam mo yun, dito na ako nag-birthday and everything. I don't want to focus on the drama. I want to focus on my birthday. What does it feel like to celebrate your birthday on a quarantine period? It's, alam ko madami sa naka-experience yan. It's not the ideal birthday celebration that we want to have. You know what I mean? Because we only celebrate this once a year. But surprisingly, oh my gosh, I enjoyed it. Unang-una, bakit? Is because I celebrated with family. That's really important, you know. You're celebrating your birthday with your family or you're celebrating your birthday with someone else and you're not alone at home. You know what I mean? You're not alone. Hindi ka nakalock alone at home on your birthday. You're still with your family, which is very good. So that's number 1. Number 2, what I did was, oh my gosh, I kept myself busy. Instead of making drama na, oh my gosh, wala akong celebration, wala akong birthday cake, whatever, or oh my gosh, I won't be able to celebrate my friends. Wala. I just pretended as if it's a normal day for me. I worked, I had webinars, okay? I created content for my other social media platforms. Yun ang ginawa ko the whole day. Number 3 is the highlight. Actually, it's when I was able to experience or see how they made DIY lechon. Guys, DIY lechon. Before I continue, ito yung story. Go. Good morning guys. It's 8 o'clock. And titignan natin, bababa tayo dahil gumagawa sila ng DIY lechon. Let's see. Kaloka. Doon pa siya sa babate. Doon pa, kaloka. Ang cute. Hi. Oh, ang dami man ako. Kaloka. Update guys. Oh my gosh. Parang ako nag-workout. Tina ko tumulik. Sobrang tarik. Parang hindi ako kasha. Pero papakita ko na sa inyo yung finished product later. Haggard, no? Kaloka. See you later. So, there, as you can see, oh my gosh, hindi ako nakaabot doon sa lutuan kasi oh my gosh, it's super downhill, matarik. Okay, matarik. Hindi ko kaya, besh. At girl, hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko umakyat after. Yung pababa, medyo i-risk ko pa eh. Alam mo yun, pero yung packet, baka hindi ko kayanin, baka hindi ko umabot sa taas, besh. Anyways, you can see, diba? Yes, we made our own lechon. Nakita mo, may sarili kaming pig pen there, and what we used are black pigs, not the ordinary one, not the siksik ones, but the free-ranged one. Semi-free-ranged one? Yes. Because apparently, ang difference daw, nung normal and nung black or free-range pig is number 1, yung location, okay? Normally, sa isang pig pen, siksik sila. Lagi nagbabanggaan. So, their meat will be matigas. Not as tender as the ones that we have now. Second, yung kinakain nila, medyo spoiled ito. They eat vegetables, fresh fruits and vegetables. Yung normal kasi, they eat kaning baboy. There. So, yun yung difference so far. Anyways, so ito na nga. So, ito yung nangyari. So, hindi ko nga tinapos. Umakit na lang ulit ako. Tapos, inintay ko or nag-work ulit ako hanggang sa makita ko inaakit na nilang lechon. Wait, panoorin niyo muna. O, diba? Nakita nyo, sobrang, oh my gosh, when I tasted it, sorry, hindi ko na na-film yung natikman ko, but, oh my gosh, kasi I was with my family bonding with them. Ang sarap, besh. Ang sarap. Juicy, malasa, tender, and hindi man ganun ka-crispy yung balat, pero may parts na crispy. Of course, it's, homemade. Masarap, and one of the best birthday gift na I had, and I shared it with one of my cousin and one of the helper here na talagang we celebrated it all together. Lahat kami April babies and quarantine babies, and it was really good. So, para daw ba ginawa ni Lechon? So, una daw, ang ginawa nila, syempre kinatay, tapos pinatanggal yung blood, tinanggal yung mga bituka and everything, the inner stuff inside na hindi mo kailangan. Nilagyan nila ng mga herbs. I think there's garlic, there's onion, there's, I forgot the other herbs there. Basta siniksik niya dyan, besh. Tinali, okay. Nilagay sa tube, gano'n. Yung tube kanina. Tapos, niluto siya, nilechon siya, okay, for I think more than 4 hours. And yung balat niya ay pinahiran siya ng special seasoning para malasa, okay? And after that, after 4 hours, bam, ganun siya. So, yes, it's our own baboy. Pasintabi lang po sa mga vegan here. I'm very sorry, you don't have to hear this. So yeah, that's what we had. We had DIY lechon. And of course, hindi lang lechon, meron. There are so many, like, there's lumpia as well. But the lumpia there was puso ng saging, which is so good. Probinsya style. I love it. And yeah, I pretty much enjoyed the food kahit walang cake. Ang birthday cake ko naman ay lechon. At ba ako arte, besh? Walang karapat na mag-inarte dahil, oh my gosh, may lechon. Anyways, that's the third one. And number 4, what am I doing now? Okay. I've been really working out. I've been watching what I'm eating. If you ask me, Jam, ano ba yung mga pinapost sa IG? Hindi po lahat yun ako yung gumagawa. Video ko lang po yung mga niluluto ng mga helpers here. And people are actually loving it, Yun. But pretty much, I'm trying to work out. Take you to train with the Tan, si Luis and si Ken. And take you to Rich for the yoga. Kasi si Train with the Tans, meron silang parang online program, workout program, where they may online app, everyday they send you programs so anong gagawin for the day with videos and instructions. And I've been doing it for 1 week pa lang, and I had progress already. So, you see, ang cool down ka naman lagi is yoga, which is everyday I do DDP yoga online via Zoom with Rich. Take your Rich for doing that for me. And in a span of 1 week, guys, lumiit po yung chan ko. But I'm not posting it here. Check it out sa isa kong channel, which is my plus size fitness entertainment channel. It's in my featured channel sa aking profile. Just check it out later. And yeah, that's it. I'll be uploading it soon. So I've been doing that, but if you ask me, am I gonna quit? No, I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm not quitting the foodie brand. I will never quit that. I'm just gonna tweak it. I'm just gonna do something na me less eating. I'm gonna do challenges with more friends. I'm gonna do more collabs. I'm gonna do restaurant. Pero I'm gonna taste it, but I'm not gonna eat everything. And eat pretty much lahat less than before. And I'm gonna try to put in my diet, or maybe I'm gonna try doing packed meals DIY. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want that. But yeah, that's the update of my life right now. Ano pa bang ginagawa ko? Yes, number 5, I do jamsaysyumm or Share the Yum Learning Center. We're doing webinars already, free webinars for people who wants to learn or build their own foodie brand, or not even foodie brand, pwede naman sariling brand. If you want to do that, just comment below or get me a DM or message me on Facebook if you want to join, because weekly meron tayong training programs. And I'm excited to really impart to you guys, And yeah, that's it. That's just my update for today. I hope hindi kayo nagtatampo. Ito na po, nag-update video na po ako. And I miss you guys. I hope everyone's well. I hope everyone's healthy. I hope everyone is safe and sane. At the same time, productive. At the same time, you're working out. You're taking care of your health as well. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And let's see kung ano yung upload ko next week. But for the meantime, I think may dalawa pa akong videos na pwedeng upload na recipe-based video. I don't know. But anyways, bahala na. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Love you guys.